Cleaning your pool doesn't have to be a huge chore. Having a quality robotic pool vacuum makes the process a lot easier.
Ditch the nets and tangled hoses and keep your pool summer ready all season long with the most innovative robotic pool vacuum out there, the Seagull Pro, Aiper's flagship product. With one-click activation, its powerful motors get to work so you don't have to. The Seagull Pro comes equipped with 3 auto-cleaning modes, so it not only cleans your pool's floors and water line, but also climbs and cleans your pool's walls. Thanks to its wave path navigation technology, every inch of your pool is covered from top to bottom. Debris is no match for its innovative filtration system. It effectively traps everything for a clean you can see. Plus, its powerful battery life offers up to 3 hours of runtime. And when it's time for a charge, the Seagull Pro auto parks and recharges fully in under 2 hours. By eliminating the hassle of cleaning your pool, Aiper wants you to live the life of luxury and truly enjoy your pool. There's an Aiper and its flagship product, Seagull Pro, for every pool and every pool owner. Stop cleaning, start relaxing. Visit Aiper.com for your Seagull Pro today.